Solve using the zero factor property. X squared minus 2x minus 48 equals 0. X squared minus 2x minus 48 factors as x minus 8 times x plus 6. So we set that equal to 0. Now we can use the zero factor property. That tells us that x minus 8 equals 0 or x plus 6 equals 0 in order for the equation to be true. So now we solve each of these equations for x. X minus 8 equals 0 results in x equals 8 once we add 8 to both sides. And x plus 6 equals 0 gives us the solution x equals negative 6 by subtracting 6 from both sides. Let's check each of these solutions in the original equation. When we substitute 8 for x, we have 8 squared, or 64, minus 2 times 8, or 16, minus 48. Well, 64 minus 16 minus 48 is equal to 0, so that solution checks. When we substitute negative 6 for x, we have 36 plus 12 minus 48 is equal to 0, which is a true statement, and so that solution checks. And our solution set is the set containing negative 6 and 8.